Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
Okay, we're at Foshan, Lingnan Tiandi. We're right here. We're gonna walk right into that, kind of explore randomly. And I don't know what to expect, but that's what it's gonna look like. Just to give you a little bit of context. There's more stuff over there, but we're gonna explore on this side. Okay, Foshan. This is a city very close to Guangzhou, and this is the Lingnan historical blocks, it's called, up on the map. And let's just get right into it so you can feel as if you were there yourself. Foshan, China. Okay, here we are in Foshan. We're gonna give you a little slice in the evening time. And I've never been here. This is gonna be my first time to ever walk through. But I saw a lot of other YouTubers go through it and it looks so fascinating. So I'm gonna try to capture it while the lighting is perfect. You see it all. This is wine chamber of Chinese liquor industry. So we're gonna have all kinds of interesting stuff around here. And what I usually do, just so that people know, I just turn the camera on and I give you a feel as if you were there yourself. So I usually don't edit it and, you know, just highlight the best parts. You know, I kind of make it feel as if this is you walking around. Okay. This place is cool. Let me see. Let's just let all these people go by. We got a lot of people walking around. You can see the Lingnan style housing everywhere. We shouldn't have all the people in front of us, but we do, so we'll try to slow down a little bit, let them get ahead. I don't mind it if they're coming at me so you can see their faces, but I don't like just following the same people and seeing their backs. But we'll slowly lose them by popping into some of these. Huh. There's a lot going on in this whole, it's like a whole village, so. Got lanterns. It's really nice. It kind of reminds me of you get around some of the people. Let's just get out of that. I'm just kind of behind people's heads there, so let's go this way. This kind of reminds me of Chongqing. There's like a ancient, there's lots of China, in lots of China, there's lots of these older cities. But this is amazing. We are going to keep on going. Let's go this way. So usually what I do is I just go for about 15 minutes, capture whatever I can capture. like this. Really nice. Huh. Got some beautiful music there. So I don't know how great the lighting is going to be. It's usually not so good at nighttime with the GoPro. But we'll just try to film what we can film and give you at least an idea of what it looks like. It's actually quite a bit bigger than I thought as well. Let's see here. Okay, let me see. Definitely have more that way, but I'm gonna go into this little alley right in here. This alley looks great. Huh. You know, I was watching some other YouTubers. There's one that does long videos, 2-3 hours. And when that person went into Foshan, I was kind of blown away. This looks so cool. And now that I'm here, I can see why. It's like really photogenic. I'm sure not the whole city looks like this, you know? Leather shop. All kinds of interesting things. Let's see. Could kind of go either way here. Could go that way, but I'm gonna go this way. Wonder if there's any hotels. Must be. So yeah, this is very photogenic. So we could go almost any direction here, but we're gonna go this way. I'm just kind of meandering around. No set. Just trying to catch as much as I can before the sun goes down and I can't capture anything. Okay, looks like we're gonna come out to a main street here. Let's go see what the main street looks like. We're at 8 minutes. So probably what I'll do is I'll probably do 2 of these videos. It's like a nice street right there too. Okay. Let's go back in. Give the directory over there to the right. I'm gonna go around to the left here. So the lighting will not be so good in the very near future. Actually, even now, it's my camera will start being shaky. Oh. Giraffes. We are going to meander this way, kind of randomly. So yeah, this is part of Foshan, probably one of the biggest tourist attractions now. Once I saw it on YouTube, it just looked so amazing. Then when I was researching AI and DeepSeek and asking, you know, where some of the most interesting places to go, this was always on the list, if not almost #1. I like these old China towns. Beautiful architecture there. Let's see. Let's go down this way. A little ways. Lingnan Food Alley. Let me see what this is. German restaurant. Food alley. Let's go down the food alley. So our video is kind of getting near the maximum. I think I'm going to do 2 though. We're at 9 minutes. Let's go down the food alley. And then I'm going to come to an ending. And I'll probably start a second video. Try to capture it before it gets too dark. Daddy side dogs. And now we're back out on the street again. Okay. Let's take a look down here. Really cool. And we're gonna come to an end. So this is ending at Lingnan Food Alley. Part of slice of Foshan. Hope you enjoyed it.
Got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll.